Hey guys, Jacob here from JBX Productions. Today we are going to be reviewing the firex FX1218. This alarm I got off of eBay, and if you know that already, and today it's wanting to work, as you can see, and it will do the 5-6 pattern. And as you can see, and if I put it back up on here, you can get a better close-up view of it. Alright, I'll even show it going off in the dark. But first, let's have it going off in the light. Well, there it is going off in the light. Let's have it go off in the dark. And that's gonna be it for today. Bye! And this alarm was made in 1993. This has battery backup, obviously, and it has the massive battery door on it. Harness door on it. Unlike its later versions that have the smaller harness. Anyways, bye.